How to disable ad blocker on your Chrome Android. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to navigate through the Google application inside your devices. And from here, you can then go ahead and navigate through your profile icon. You can go ahead and see that at the top right corner of your screen. And inside this window, you want to go ahead and open up settings. From here, you want to look for the Google Assistant settings. And lastly, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you find the general settings. Inside general, you can just go ahead and make sure that the use screen context is turned on. You want to go ahead and click on it, and from here you want to make sure that the use screen or use text from screen is turned on and use screenshot. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.